Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see if we can get some hydration up in my hair. First things first, I'm going to hop in the shower and rinse some, get like some of this product buildup off of my hair, and then we'll get started with it. I'm going to go ahead and mix it. And it says use equal parts of the clay and raw apple cider vinegar. I don't have raw apple cider vinegar, but I just have this one. It came out of my kitchen, so I'm going to use that. Or I could use water, and it says it works best with water. And then I'm also going to add some pure argan oil to it as well. So let's see what we're working with here. And I'm putting I'm using a plastic spoon in a ceramic bowl. I'm gonna do 6 heaping spoonfuls. And you can't use metal because then the clay will start to absorb some of those properties and it won't work properly. And then so now they said equal amounts. So I'm probably going to need more because I want it to be the consistency of what I would use for, you see it bubbling? I love the smell of vinegar. So mix. Oh, what was I saying? Oh, I wanted the consistency of what I would be using if I were just using like one of my conditioners. So, and I use about a tablespoon of pure argan oil. Okay, so I have about this consistency. Nice and smooth. It's not too thick. Looks like I can get it through my hair, and hopefully I have enough left over to do my face. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get in the shower and just rinse it. I'm not gonna wash it because this is a shampoo. This will be my cleanser, and I'll be back. Hair is damp, and I'm gonna go ahead and section it off so that I can have 4 equal parts. And I don't have my glasses on, so I can't even see that well. Starting with my first section. Also, my hair is semi-permanently treated, so I'm wondering if it's going to strip that or not. We shall see. I should have started with the roots first. It's okay. I have 3 other sections to get it right. There was a piece of glass in here. Ah. left. Hopefully I can get this last section done. I do not want to make more just for one section. Okay. Yep, I need to make more. I ran out of argan oil, so I'm going to use some Jamaican castor oil. So I'm gonna put it on my face. Well, I'm gonna let this sit on my face until it hardens, and then that's when I will just wash it out of my face and my hair. If you don't know, I'm a homeschool mom to 5 children, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with homeschooling, and then I'll come back once this stuff hardens on my face and rinse it out. Then I'm gonna take this off in the shower because it's flaky. It's been 20 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash up, and then I'm going to deep condition with this, take an actual shower, and then I'll be back. I'm out of the shower and my hair feels amazing. It took my deep conditioner and I feel like the hair mask elevated the deep conditioner like what it's supposed to do. So if you can see, like I do have 2 different patterns of hair, but look at the back. This side is like always the side that curls the most. And then the front's more wavy. And it didn't strip my grays. These were already kind of showing. Did I leave some? Okay, I just want to make sure I got all of the clay out. And I usually have grays like in the middle. Yeah, so can you guys see that? So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get dressed and finish my hair off. I'm excited. This feels so good. I'm gonna use some castor oil as my heat protectant. This is the one that I'm using. No. That's mommy's.
It's really crazy to think about because a lot of us, I mean, we're in a divorce culture right now, right? Just let it do. I might do a little straight, you know, so it can look like that yucky straight. I don't know, guys. So my hair elasticity was definitely on point. My hair moisturization was on point. I cannot wait to use this on my daughter's brittle, Borsi hair. So if you like this video, if you're interested to see how it works out for my daughter's hair, if you don't know, we've been on this hair journey to like get some hydration into her hair, and I think this is the answer. So give this video a thumbs up. Think about subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to drink your water and repent. Bye. I'm going to come back and flat on my hair, but it'll just be music if you want to see the finished product. And so let me show you guys what my hair looks like from the back. Look at that.
A revelation on how to press the buttons. They are going to fail in that position. So you have to
Alright guys, this is the final look. I am super duper happy with how it turned out. My hair is soft, my hair is luscious, my hair is shiny, it is definitely moisturized and hydrated. So I am definitely looking forward to doing this on my daughter's natural hair. To be honest, from last summer, her hair just hasn't been right from like the chlorine in the pool. So I am hoping that this totally transforms her hair, which it has transformed mine. So I'm totally thinking, well, I know that it's going to work great in her hair. So yeah, this is the final look.